Пойманный в огне, кто читает свои сны, поклоняюсь темноте.
Hey y'all, what is up? What is good? How you doing, Ghost Squad? How you doing, Boo Crew? Today, I am here to do Tex Avery. Now, after trying to find Tex Avery, trying to find out like where to do it, because for some reason I tried doing it on the website, and it turns out that didn't work. So now I'm YouTube. I see that they have some Tex Avery episodes or shorts on YouTube. So I'm gonna be diving into Tex Avery, y'all. Enjoy another nostalgic. Okay, the Blitz Wolf. Tires using this for photo play are vicious. And we ain't kidding, brother.
Once upon a time, there were 3 little pigs.
Okay.
I built my house of straw. I built my house of sticks.
But the smart little
now,
pig
usually
built his house of
bricks. Yo, combat ready much?
You're in the army now. You're not behind the plow. You're digging a ditch. You're in the army now.
Yeah, laugh it up.
You fellas can laugh, but you'd better quit playing around and get down to work. Buy bonds. Help support our national defense program. So you'll be prepared for the big bad wolf. Oh, sure as shooting, he's headed this way.
Wolf set for Blitz. Uncle Sam says if he does it, he'll get a whipping. A Nazi wolf.
We don't care. He won't hurt us, 'cause we signed a treaty with him.
A treaty?
My dear, sweet little friendly neighbors, this is the truth for which I stand. I promise not to invade your land. With your freedom, I will not tinker. Signed, Adolf Wolf, Colossal Stinker.
Adolf Wolf.
Why, this ain't worth the paper it's printed on. You can take this treaty.
Oh, man. It's going down over here. Fireworks and explosion. And tanks with multiple cannons. Those are super tanks. What the? Is that an ice cream tank? The flame tanks. I don't want to set the world on fire. Good to know. Go on and hiss. Who cares? Wow.
Open up the door, Schnitzen. Und I'll Tunnelstutzen, Hofen, Puffen.
Or I'll
Und
huff.
I'll Puffen, Hofen.
And I'll puff.
Und I'll blasen the Stutzen, Heffen, the Puppen.
Now blow the house down. Blow your house in.
But Adolf, that would break our treaty. You're a good guy. Well, you hate war. You wouldn't go back on your word.
Are you kidding?
Are you kidding me? This guy. Me nice? Oh, run! Gone with the wind.
The wolf's coming!
B-19 half? I mean, they got tanks. They got the cannons everywhere. A screen bomb? What? Jesus! Oh my goodness! Suppressing fire! Oh God, take cover!
Ah, you missed me! You missed me! You didn't even touch me!
Ha! You didn't even hit me! Yeah. Right? Didn't miss at all. Oh, come on! How long is this cannon? They go to short country. And they did. Too little did it. That was a country destroying cannon. King size. Incoming! What the? Really? Guys, check this out! Oh, so hot! USA Vitamin B1. There you go. Yeah, that's good. My God, it's chaos out there.
Quiet! Hello, giving me my Stutzen Knife and a blow. Is that you, Matt? How's every little thing, Matt? It is, huh?
B678. Incendiary bomb. Wow, how old school. This is gonna burn so much. What is that feeling? It burns! Woo! Like a smoked sausage. PU, the stinker bomber. PU, how classy. Listening detector. It's a stink bomb! Quick, retreat! Secret weapon. Boom! Defense bonds. Dang! Mayday, mayday, I'm going down! Mayday, mayday! Swim, swim, swim! Call for Dr. Kildare. Run for your life! Run for your life! You'll never catch me! Oh boy. I wonder where he's at now. Oh wait! Where all the Nazis supposed to be at?
Why? Where am I? Have I been blown to?
It's a possibility.
Okay, jump to the next one. The early bird dude eats. The early bird dude eats. To the ladies, the worm in this photo play is vicious. Okie dokie. Yes, it is. Coast is clear. Oh no! Oh no!
Why, you little sawed-off pot-bellied runt, I'll get you yet. I'll beat your fat head to a pulp.
Wait, where's Sunday at?
See you folks tomorrow morning.
Wait, so you're not gonna try again? So that was it? Just your one chance? That's it? I'll see y'all tomorrow. So I'm guessing Sunday never existed. Or, no, Sunday's his day off.
He's a bad bird. Every day it's the same old thing.
Every
This
day.
early bird stuff is getting me down. Why, I'm a nervous wreck. Just look. If I could only get rid of that
Okay.
guy.
Oh, look! It's the origins of Tom and Jerry. Hello, good sir.
I hate to disturb you, brother, but you've heard the story about the early bird and the worm, haven't you?
Yeah.
Well, I'm the worm. Now you could go for a nice, fat, juicy bird, couldn't you?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, Charlie, here's the setup. Now, tomorrow morning, you'll be waiting behind this tree. The bird chases me into this hole,
Right.
I jump in. You grab the bird, and there you are.
Victory! Meal!
Oh, boy.
Oh,
Well, I'll see you in the
joy!
morning, little face.
The next day. Guess who?
With offhand, I'd say the cat.
Oh, gee whiz, you Pete. You
Right?
two
You
face.
cheater!
Cheater.
You cheater! I'm gonna get you! I'm gonna get you! Wait till I get you!
Ouch!
Well, that looks like the end of the bird. Ah, it's sure great to be free again. Good morning, neighbor. Sure it's a nice day, isn't it?
Yeah! Darn it! Get back here! Get back here! What the? Mrs. Minimum?
Say, I hear that's a pretty funny cartoon.
Well, I hope it's funnier than this one. Bread and butter.
Bread and butter.
Bread and butter? Like, oh, hold up now! Like, really? You! Oh! Oh no! Run! Break time! 2-minute intermission for a short beer. Here we go again. Let's continue. Really? Chase continues. I'm gonna get you. Oh my goodness. Dead end. Curve ahead. Stop! Detour. The bridge is out. Road closeth. Is it safe? Yeah. The chase continues. Oh my God, it's relentless. I'm gonna get you.
Are you following me?
Yeah!
Yeah! Doggone it. What you gonna do about it? What the?
Told you.
Oh yeah? Ouch! Hey you, how you doing? Yeah, how you doing? Back here! Get back here! I'm hungry! Detour? Great idea! Glass shattering is real. I mean, every time they fall or crash, it's like the glass be like their bones.
That poor old dopey cat.
Oh well, all's well that ends well.
Oh well. But at least I finally got rid of that darn old early bird.
Woo! Wow. Well, we got his meal. What the? Wow. So there you have it. Tex Avery short, y'all. Managed to find it on YouTube. Oh my God. Because I couldn't do this on a website. I couldn't do this on a website, but on YouTube, for some reason, managed to find it to where, yay, I can do it on there. I can do it on there, right? But hey, that is it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed the nostalgics of Tex Avery. If you want to stay tuned, stop the buttons down below. You will see the next video. Also, stay tuned for when I stream my brand new horror series called It. If you want to stay up to date on when I go live, you can join me on my Discord and be ready for when I start streaming, because I mostly stream like early in the mornings. I stream in the mornings, y'all, so it happens. It happens. If you want to see me get genuinely scared playing a scary game, hey, you know where to find me. But I hope y'all have a good day. Stay safe, and I will catch y'all tomorrow.